naisip ko lang na the moment you stop learning, you also stop growing. Pero pwede rin ba na you're learning pero kabaligtaran ng growing yung nangyayari? Pwede, kasi not all learning leads to growth. Merong positive learning at merong negative learning. Positive learning makes you wiser, better, stronger, more responsible. Yung negative learning makes you bitter, fearful, lazy, or close-minded. Halimbawa, sa trabaho, hindi ka na-promote. Positive learning says, oh, anong kailangan kong i-improve? Negative learning says, wala naman silbi ang effort, hindi na lang ako magta-try. Same experience, different learning, different direction, di ba? So, sa buhay, ganun din. Nasaktan ka, positive learning helps you set better boundaries. Negative learning teaches you never to trust anyone again. Kaya hindi sapat na sabihin mo lang na, oh, I learned from experience. Ang tanong, did this experience make you better or bitter? Growth does not come from experience alone. Growth comes from processing experiences properly. So next time, pag may failure, rejection, conflict, or disappointment, ask yourself, what is the useful lesson here? What should I improve?